Hi, it's Catherine from CW Design, and I am at Costa Rica. It is gorgeous here. I just want to show you my kitchenette because it's so cute. So hold on 1 second while I flip this. Okay, so here's the adorable fridge. This is what one sees when they walk in. There's a bedroom on this side and also a bedroom on this side. And look at this. It is so cute. I just love it. Um, yeah, I like it how they have the backsplash all the way up to the wall cabinets. And then you have your essentials. You have your coffee pot, toaster in a tiny little oven, microwave, and your refrigerator. And that refrigerator is cute and adorable, and I love it.